Hello, my name is Emilio Villarreal. I am one of Suni's students, and I want to tell my experience of receiving his teachings for the last 5 days. We are here in the Himalayas near Rishikesh. It's a sacred place that I've been hearing about for a long time. I've been wanting to come for years, and finally, after so many years of planning and dreaming, it happened. I did not plan to meet Suni. Actually, I met Suni through my travel guide. He recommended me to him. At first, I was a bit skeptic. I've heard the word guru, I've heard the word teacher, but I didn't really know what it was. But when I met Suni, my opinion completely changed. Um, Suni is a wonderful person. He not only understands the technical part of medicine, so most of the pains that I came with, he could make me feel better. He helped me manage those pains, but he also understands the spirituality behind the pains. There's this holistic approach in Sunni's teachings that I really appreciate and that you don't really find anywhere else. The last few days have been amazing because not only he's very wise, very knowledgeable, but also very well connected in the spiritual circles here in northern India. So we've met most of his friends. Uh, Most of his friends are renowned gurus that organize big ceremonies, so you can have front places in these huge ceremonies thanks to Sunni's connections. You have dinners with amazing people, um, also teachers, spiritual teachers, gurus, all of them. I've met them through Sunil's work and through his obviously good intentions. So I highly recommend for anyone that wants to either learn a holistic way of improving their health and their well-being in general, their life, or someone that wants to travel to India and experience this here in India, in the region. Both of those goals, I recommend Sunil's. I think he does a wonderful job. And the best part of all is that you can really feel that he cares. And he's not just doing this for the money like most of the people that work with tourists. You can feel that he cares and that he actually enjoys uh, giving service to others, especially to foreigners. So yeah, thank you, Sunil, for the experience, and I hope this works.